Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JoyToKey with a PlayStation 4 controller. First, download the latest version of JoyToKey from its official website, ensuring you choose the correct installer for your operating system. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process, which typically takes less than 1 minute to complete. After installation, launch the JoyToKey application to begin the setup, where you will see the main interface. This initial step is crucial for mapping your controller. Next, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer, which you can do using either a USB cable or Bluetooth. For a wired connection, simply plug in the USB cable to both your controller and a USB port on your computer. If you prefer Bluetooth, enable your computer's Bluetooth and put your controller into pairing mode by holding the PlayStation button and share buttons simultaneously until the light bar flashes rapidly. Your computer should detect the controller as a wireless device. Now let's configure basic key mapping within JoyToKey. After opening the application, you should see your PlayStation 4 controller listed. If not, refresh the device list. Select your controller, then click the Create button to make a new profile for your mappings. JoyToKey will display controller inputs. Double-click an input, like button 1, and assign it a keyboard key, such as W or a mouse action. Repeat this for all desired buttons and stick movements, ensuring each function is precisely mapped. JoyToKey allows for advanced customization using multiple profiles. Create distinct profiles for different games or software, enabling quick switching between them as needed. For example, one profile might suit a racing game, while another is for a creative application. Explore the Assign Special Keys feature to configure complex actions, such as running a program or changing profiles with a single button press. Remember to adjust joystick dead zones in the options, fine-tuning responsiveness and preventing accidental inputs, which significantly enhances your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.